Hi, global buyers. Tired of risky direct sourcing from China? I'm your trusted Chaozhou Sanitary Ware sourcing agent. With local expertise, I help you find reliable suppliers, negotiate prices, and avoid costly mistakes. Let's simplify your supply chain. Chaozhou is the global hub of ceramic bathroom products, home to over 2,000 factories producing 40% of the world's sanitary ceramics. As your local agent, I connect you directly with top manufacturers here, cutting out middlemen and ensuring you get premium products at competitive prices. I offer 3 tailored solutions for your sourcing journey: essential online verification and consultation, a comprehensive on-site factory audit with detailed insights, and full process control from sample testing to contract review. Each package is designed to meet your specific needs and ensure peace of mind.